Today, I'm showing you 5 mind-blowing OSINT tools that can track down anyone, legally and ethically. Whether it's social media, old usernames, leaked emails, or even open security cameras, these tools will make you rethink your online privacy. Let's dive in. First up, we have Pipl, aka Google on steroids for finding people. Just type in a name, email, or phone number, and Pipl will scrape through social media accounts, business records, and even public databases to piece together a full profile. Yeah, if you've ever wondered what happened to your long-lost childhood friend, or wanted to check if your email is linked to some weird online accounts, Pipl will find it. But fair warning, this tool isn't free, and it's mostly used by law enforcement and private investigators. So unless you're running an FBI-level investigation, you might need to look for some free alternatives. Next, we have Spokeo, and this one is kind of creepy. Drop in someone's name, phone number, or email, and it pulls up past addresses, family members, social media accounts, and even property records. Yeah, you heard that right. If someone has ever owned a house, Spokeo will tell you when, where, and for how much. It's like the nosy neighbor of the internet, except it won't peek through your curtains. It just pulls public records and throws them on a neat little page. Tool 3, Shodan. Now this one is where things get real. Meet Shodan, the search engine for hackers. But instead of finding cat videos, it finds exposed devices. I'm talking about security cameras, smart home devices, baby monitors, and even industrial control systems that people forgot to password protect. Ever wondered how hackers find those hacked security cam live streams online? Yeah, this is how. But listen up. This tool is not for hacking. Shodan is meant for cybersecurity research, so you can check if your own devices are vulnerable. But if you use it for the wrong reasons, well, let's just say the feds are always watching. Tool 4, Maltego. Now, if you're into detective-style investigations, you're gonna love Maltego. This tool doesn't just find people, it connects the dots between their emails, social media, companies, and even hidden relationships. Ever seen those crime boards in movies with red strings connecting photos? Yeah, Maltego does that, but in digital form. It's used by cybersecurity experts, journalists, and law enforcement to map out networks of people and organizations. So yeah, if you're trying to find who's behind a shady online account, this tool can help. Tool 5, theHarvester, plus Google Dorks. And finally, sometimes the best OSINT tool is just Google, but not the way normal people use it. With tools like theHarvester and Google Dorks, you can pull up hidden emails, exposed passwords, old social media posts, and even private documents just by using advanced search commands. So, how does it feel knowing that your entire digital life can be uncovered with just a few clicks? Yeah, thought so. But listen, these tools aren't just for fun. They're used by cybersecurity experts, ethical hackers, and even government agencies for real-world investigations. So if you want to stay safe online, start by Googling yourself and see what's out there. You might be surprised. If you found this useful, smash that like button like a hacker breaking into a system fast and smooth. Subscribe for more insane hacking content and let me know in the comments. What's the craziest thing you've ever found online? See you in the next one, Hacker Fam.